Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting first tutorial on Google Cloud Platform. We're going to dive into a crucial and foundational aspect of Google Cloud Platform, or GCP, understanding the GCP resource hierarchy. This hierarchy is the foundation for organizing your entire Google Cloud environment. It ensures scalability, strengthens security, and gives you precise control. To work effectively and securely on Google Cloud, you must understand how it structures its various resources, from the top-level organization, down through folders, projects, and finally, to your actual computing resources. A well-planned hierarchy not only simplifies the management of your cloud assets, but also enables you to enforce strong security policies, track billing effectively, and ensure governance across your entire cloud infrastructure. So, let's begin this journey and learn how you can better structure your GCP environment with us, and don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Moving on to the very top of our hierarchy, we have Level 1, the Organization Resource. Think of the Organization Resource as the root node of your entire Google Cloud environment. It represents your company or your corporate entity within GCP. It provides centralized control for all your Google Cloud resources. Everything you create, every project, every folder, ultimately rolls up under this single organization. While smaller users or individual developers might initially operate with just projects, the organization resource is mandatory and a best practice for any enterprise or large business using GCP extensively. It's truly the foundation for robust governance. The benefits of having an organization resource are significant. You get centralized identity and access management, IAM, allowing you to define permissions across your entire cloud footprint. It enables consolidated billing, so you can manage and track costs for all your projects under one umbrella. And critically, it serves as a single point for policy definition, meaning you can set overarching rules and compliance standards that apply everywhere beneath it. Finally, regarding its creation, the organization resource is typically linked to an existing Google Workspace, what was formerly known as G Suite, or a cloud identity account. This linkage establishes the trust relationship between your corporate identity and your cloud resources. It's the first and most crucial step in building a well-governed and scalable GCP environment. Next, we descend to Level 2, Folders. Folders are an optional grouping mechanism that allows you to logically group projects. While optional, they are incredibly powerful for maintaining order in a growing cloud environment. One of their greatest strengths is their flexibility. You can use folders to mimic your organization's real-world structure. This means you can align them with different departments, specific teams, various environments like production, development, or QA, or even distinct applications within your portfolio. This makes management intuitive and reflective of your business operations. Just like the organization, folders play a critical role in policy inheritance. Policies you define at the folder level are inherited from the parent organization and then passed down directly to all contained projects, and even any subfolders you create within them. This cascading effect simplifies policy enforcement significantly. Folders are best suited for medium to large organizations that manage a substantial number of projects. Without folders, managing hundreds of projects directly under an organization can quickly become unwieldy. Consider example use cases. You might have a sales department folder, a production environment folder to house all your critical production projects, or an APAC region folder for resources specific to that geographical area. Folders are truly a game changer for larger organizations. They prevent that flat, hard-to-manage structure and provide a necessary layer of abstraction, making your GCP environment much more scalable and manageable in the long run.